This week, I'll teach you how to transcribe WhatsApp voice notes with the use of a software called Descript. Let's get to it. On WhatsApp, we're going to select the voice note and we're going to forward it. Once you select it, go to AirDrop on your Mac device. And once you select it, we're going to choose the MacBook Pro. Let it sit for a few seconds and it should be sent straight to your computer. Now that you've got the file on your computer, you're going to go to New Project, select Audio Project. Select this section and you're going to search for the file. It should be in your downloads. So select this one. Recognize the language. So this time I'm going to go with French because this audio file is done in French. So French, select done. Let it render for a few seconds. You're going to find the progress up here. So it shouldn't take that long. So you got the transcription room here. And if you want to see the whole version, if you want to read along while you're listening to the audio, select in here in the play button.
Coucou Armando. Si, j'ai déjà essayé le Pilates et ça m'avait beaucoup.
And there you go. That's pretty much how you can actually listen to the voice notes on your WhatsApp. Sometimes the audio can be a little hazy, not quite understandable. Using a desktop might be a little inconvenient if you work from your laptop. This is a good way to get it for free. And each month you get approximately 4 hours of audio. Other than that, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.